Meaning of hot flush.
Hot flush.
Hot flush.
Hot flush.
Hot flush. A hot flush, also known as a hot flash, is a sudden feeling of warmth or heat that spreads over the body, particularly the face and chest. It can be accompanied by sweating, rapid heartbeat, and a flushed appearance. Hot flushes are a common symptom of menopause, but they can also be caused by medications, certain medical conditions, or lifestyle factors such as stress or alcohol consumption. They typically last for a few minutes but can cause discomfort and disrupt daily activities. Treatment options include hormone therapy, lifestyle changes, and medications.